on, guys? Sean here with Nobori Auto, and today it's a beautiful day in the rain. So I'm here at IAA in Ogden, Utah, and I'm looking at this. Gosh darn it! Oh, yeah! Looking for a replacement for the Ram. The Ram was great for transport and everything, but I don't need something that big. I never need to pull more than like 10,000 pounds, if that. So here's the vehicle I've come to see today. Alright, so here it is. It is a 2018 Nissan Titan XD Pro-4X. So it is the 5-liter V8 Cummins in it, and it's the off-road package. The main damage is, well, the only damage is back here to the bed. So as you can see here, that hit was so bad on the outside that it pushed the inside. And it's even a little bit down here. It's buckled up from there. I don't know where the inside shell would end, but I'm assuming it would be on this line or something. Called Nissan, and Nissan has both the outer and inner shell for this left side of the bed, and it's only $1,500 for those. So that's a lot better than I thought, considering that cost was like the frame rail of the GTR. So I'm really just here to look and see in person. Like I've watched so many videos of reviews of this truck, but I want to get a first-hand look of everything. I'm pretty much here to see if this is the replacement for the Ram, because my lifestyle really isn't huge truck anymore. I do outdoor stuff, but the outdoor stuff I do, I'm not taking a dually off-road and everything. So just doing a walk around of it. It is the Pro-4X, so it has like brush guards underneath, or rock guards, or whatever you want to call them. It has tow hooks up front, fog lights, parking sensors. Some people aren't a fan of the headlights, but I am, and having a projector, either LED or HID, whatever's in there, is very appealing to me. Some off-road tires. Does have the Cummins, which I love. That's why I bought a Ram, even though this isn't the inline 6. No damage over on this side from what I can see. Coming around the back, the tailgate looks good. Like I thought maybe it'd be dinged over here, and yeah, maybe these little latches and stuff down in here would need to be replaced even there, but it's all to this. So you can see from this view, it's all to this bedside. It does have Bilstein's stock, which I don't really care about, but it does. I want to make sure the filler neck is big enough that I can fit one of the semi pump nozzles in there, which it kind of looks like it is. I'd have to look at the Ram to make sure, but then yeah, it has def. It does, all of them I think come with that rear window. Moving to the interior, this is a big step up from the Ram. So it has like a mixture of cloth and leather seats. Yeah, looking up here at the dash, I haven't been in Chevy, but I've been in Ford and Ram, and this kind of reminds me of the Ram. That there's knobs and a screen and vents. It's the simple things in life. Getting a feel for these back seats, I think that these are called zero gravity seats. I don't know if the back are, but I think the front are. And they seem pretty comfortable. Like, yeah, I know there's negatives to every vehicle, but so far, without driving it, I like the accessories that this one has and everything. It has heated rear seats. After sitting on it for a while, the heat from your butt heats the seats. Now up here in the driver's seat, first impressions. I like it. So some of the reviews that I was looking at of the Rams, they were talking about the wood interior trim that seemed cheap around the steering wheel and on the dash and everything, but this doesn't have that. I'm assuming there would be wood somewhere over here. There was like wood going around the steering wheel, but yeah, like this, that kind of seems cheap right there. It does have tow mode, parking sensors, trailer brake. I'm assuming that is the trailer brake gain right there. Let me see if I can get it on accessory. So it does. Dual climate control. A nasty cup holder. Oh, if I buy it, I bought it for 2 cents less. Here's the rear. So that's kind of cool because in the reviews, everything said that was a manual back window, but I guess 2018 they upgraded some stuff, which is good about not buying the first generation or the first model year of a new vehicle. Like with the GTR, that's 2009, that was the first year, versus this second year, I think. I think they came out in 2016. Depending on what this thing goes for at auction, I don't know. Like, it's looking like it's about half the price of my Ram, which is it half the vehicle? Most likely. Man, so you can see here that is trailer gain. I'm assuming NC means no cargo, no calculator, narco. I like it, guys. The only thing that I wish this would have, which I don't know if they even come with an option, is a sunroof. I'm just a sucker for a sunroof. I would rather have windows up and sunroof open in like the mid-warm months. But yeah, I'm liking it, guys. What do you guys think? By the time you're seeing this video, I will have either bought it or not bought it. So do you think it is a good purchase, or should I have passed? Good shop truck? I think so. Good overall lifestyle truck? Yeah. Like the Ram's clean title, and I don't need a clean title. I like stuff that's been beat up and I get a savings on. So yeah, stay tuned for if this ends up being the next Nobori Auto truck. Okay, so while I'm here, I'm just looking at one other vehicle. I can't help but look at this thing. Come on. Okay, it's a Kia Soul. I'm pretty sure it can be repaired. Nah, just joking. I'm here to look at this 370Z. I don't know why it has shotgun pigeons. Aren't these called pigeons? I don't know why it has those in here, but it has cold air intake, It is a rollover, so this one would be a sad day for whoever was in this. It's probably DK at the end scene of the next Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift 2. But yeah, this one would just be a straight up project drift build like the other Z. But depending on what price this thing goes for, I may be interested, guys. What kind of, does that have a brand name exhaust on it or no? Can't tell what that is, but it's got an exhaust on it. Yeah, you can start to see some of the damage up here, there, and then like this whole section of the roof up here is caved in, as you can see, and obviously windshield is gone, fender, hood. So this would really just be a parts car that I would not turn into a parts car. Okay, so that is that. The Titan, definitely going to bid, depending on what it starts bidding at tomorrow when it goes up for auction, which will be today for you guys watching the video. Because stuff's a day behind. I'm not giving you guys insider information. And then I will also see on this 370, and I'll also see on this 370Z what it goes for. So stay tuned for more just crazy, stupid projects here at Nobori Auto. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all of you and the support that you give to my channel and me as I go through changes in business and learn and grow and change and whatever it may be. But thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Another part of the Nissan family. Looks like a Titan, an older Titan. Sad day. DIY gang, next build? Just kidding.